I'm here back again. My wife had ordered me a surprise, my LED rim lights, and I've been wanting these for a good while. Today they got here. They weren't supposed to be here till tomorrow, but she wanted to surprise me, but the guy came early and I saw the box first. I'm pretty stoked, and hopefully by next week you guys see the truck with more lights. Here we are, putting the LED on the wheels at Chino's Body Shop and more. Chino's Custom. There it is, installed. Nobody wanted to do it. I called up homeboy Chino, and there you go. All he got to do is just the back. They're gonna start working on the back and plug it all up, and we're done. Cuando el dueño todavía tiene chance para hacer TikTok mientras jalando. ¿Qué, Chino? ¿Qué? ¿Estás haciendo un TikTok ahí abajo o qué, güey?
No, acá arriba, el aquel está abajo.
Y valiéndole madre el patrón aquí parado, dijo. Para que vean que no estoy jugando, guacha. Los dos trabajadores a todo lo que dan el teléfono. Míralo. Míralo.
¿Ya acabaste, güey? ¿Agarraste un break y no pudiste? No me lo acabé, no andas agarrando el teléfono y no acabas,
Está bien concentrado el chavo.
Amarillitas, ojos verdecitos, trompa bien. Carnal, ¿están apagadas?
Están apagadas.
Ahí te va.
Ahí están prendidas.
La de enfrente todo igual, está funcionando todo bien.
Sí.
Okay.
Invited earlier to go to a drive-through birthday party for some little girls. We were invited. Like I said, it's an honor to be invited, and I love doing that. It's for a good cause, and hopefully you guys are still staying tuned. Nice little setup. Nice little car looking. Look at that. Yeah, you. On our way to the cruise for the birthday girls. As you guys can tell, there's a line of Lolos in the front, just different kind of cars. And then I got more towards the back of me. Sorry, but I'm trying to film by myself. Kids didn't make it. It's looking tight. Let's get it. Hop out, another brother to another stop. See how that goes. Sorry I couldn't film that much. It's kind of hard trying to pay attention, not to hit none of these guys. I mean, we're talking about $6,000 or $7,000 paint job. I don't want to hit one of these guys.
explicit, doing it big. There's Pinky. Amanda. Estás canalito. Mandamos, ¿o qué?
Mira.
Te hubieras puesto unos rines más chiquillos, güey. Está de tu tamaño ese rin.
Todavía falta. Sí. Hey,
¿Ya hablamos antes, güey? ¿Ya hablamos antes? Check this out. Oh, you dirty bastard.
Yeah, you want to see the color? Yeah, let me give you the real color. Samsung color.
Oh.
Sun on it. Try to find the sun on the car. You see that blue?
Doing it real big. There's Smurfy. Oh, look at Cherry.
Ah, ya te dijeron.
About what?
Ajá, hazte sordo.
Homeboy's telling me I'm scared of putting explicit on my truck. I ain't scared. Ay, güey. Mira.
For the video.
It was crack. You guys were gonna do something. Get that bad boy in the back too. Look at my cut. What's up, guys? We're here at Lowrider, a little event here at Salmon's on Central and Coors. Let's see how it goes. Try to get some more Lolos for you guys. I know you guys are into that. Thanks everybody for supporting, and I really appreciate each one of you, and especially my wife for editing and recording. Thank you, baby. Love you. And let's see how the night goes. Follow me. Enjoy the ride.